As in the last video, we have done till MCQs 30, so we are going with 31 MCQs here today. So the 31 MCQs we have foot and mouth disease and yellow fever is caused by. So these are caused by the virus. Okay. Second most common herpes simplex is the virus caused in mouth, on the lips and other skin parts. Okay, mouth, lips and skin. Now 33 scientific name has advantages of. So why mostly we give the scientific names to different living organisms? So scientific name have advantages because it has scientific basic and universally accepted. That's why in 1866 Aristotle Huckel proposed third kingdom of Protoctista. Third kingdom was of Protoctista. Okay. Now in 35 the five kingdom classification was proposed by Robert Whittaker. However, it was, we can say, modified by this Margus and Schwartz. Okay, so these both are different MCQs. Now we have question number 36. In the scientific name of onion, Aluminium cepa, the aluminium belongs to genus. Okay. Now virus kinds are about how many kinds of virus are there. So remember there are 4,000 virus kinds. Now virus tail have ATP, they tail sheet and tail coat, tail fibers, all three are present. So this means this is the all of these. Now here we have which hepatitis is by RNA virus, which is envelope. So hepatitis B is basically the RNA and envelope virus. Now isohedral means which have 20 faces. Okay, isohedral means which have 20 faces. Question number 41, the shape of bacteriophages. So basically the shape of bacteriophages is cubical and helical. Cube-like and helical. Which of the following illness is not caused by retrovirus? ऐसी कौन सी illness है जो कि retroviruses से cause नहीं होती है? So that is basically smallpox, herpes simple, hepatitis B. So those are all of these. All of these are not caused by retrovirus. Now here we have which statement is true about viruses. So each virus has both DNA and RNA. This is wrong because virus can contain either DNA or RNA, but it cannot contain DNA and RNA both together. Okay, after that here we have what most viruses are obligate parasites. So no, this is also wrong. Most viruses are basically intracellular obligate parasite. Now viruses exhibit all the living characteristics associated with living organism. No, like all the characteristics which one living organism possesses, that virus cannot possess all the characteristics. So this is also wrong. So here the correct statement is C, D. A protein capsid surround the nucleic acid. For example, here we have nucleic acid Na and the protein capsid is around this. So this is present in each virus. So this is the correct statement. D is the correct option. Fine. So if we can go with question number 44, in which we have serum hepatitis is also known as hepatitis B. Hepatitis can be controlled by, so hepatitis basically can be controlled by adopting hygienic measures with routine vaccination, screening of blood, organ or tissue of the donor. Through all of these we can control the HIV. Now here we have in smallpox raised fluid vessels are formed on the body. जब किसी बंदे के अंदर smallpox हो जाता है, so there are basically raised fluid filled vesicles are formed on that person's body, which become pustules. Later on form the pelted scars, which are the pox. Okay, remember this. Now here we have temperate phase may exist as, so temperate phase may exist as prophase. टेम्परेट फेज जो होता है उसको हम कहते हैं प्रोफेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 48, एड इज कॉज्ड बाय, सो एड इज कॉज्ड बाय HIV. नो एग्जांपल ऑफ स्पेरिकल वायरसेस. सो रिमेंबर पोलियो वायरस, TME वायरस एंड बैक्टीरियोफेज. So yeah, polio virus is spherical virus. Last question 50. Biodiversity is due to, so biodiversity is basically due to mutation and organic evolution. म्यूटेशन होना और ऑर्गेनिक की क्या होना, एवोल्यूशन होना. So I hope that it is clear to you guys. Question number 51, in which we have what a set of relative families would be grouped. अगर एक set है families का and which can be a group, so that would be order. Now we have the mode of nutrition related to animal, the five kingdom classification. So the mode of nutrition is ingestion. Okay, it is ingestion. After that, which of the following illness is not caused by the virus? So TB is not caused by the viruses. Which describe about viruses? So viruses are composed of DNA and RNA, right? Viruses are sub-microscopy agent, right? Viruses are obligate parasite, right? So all of these are the correct option. Now, which disease is caused by paramoxyvirus? So measles and mumps is caused by paramoxyvirus. If I talk about the poliovirus, so it is basically caused by polymyelitis. Polymyelitis. And if I talk about this herpes virus, so it is caused by herpes. Okay. Now we have question number 56, which is an infectious protein particle. So if they are asking about infectious protein particles, the protein particle is basically pyrons. Now which is most effective protective against viral infection? So natural immunity of the host is basically most effective or protective against the viral infection, because immunity is most important thing in any living organism. Now question number 58, the function of an enzyme reverse transcriptase. So the function of reverse transcriptase is basically to produce new viral RNA. No. DNA is produced. Attach the virus. No. Here we have produced DNA from the RNA and that can be incorporated into whole cell DNA. This is correct. 31, convert the RNA into RNA. No. D is correct option. C is correct option. Sorry. Now large viruses. So the largest virus is provirus, pox virus. Okay. The viroid has, so viroid basically do not contain nucleic acid. However, it has only the RNA. So this is done. If I can show you here the key. So yeah, you can go with this key too. Till that, bye bye.